On the ninth day of Christmas, my true love said to me, 9 ladies dancing.
Merry Christmas, everybody!
From Quilt Plus in July.
Today is Wednesday, July 21, and it's the 9th day of Christmas. So on the 9th day of Christmas,
My true love gave to me.
Amazing things at Quilt Plus.
hey, Kathy here. I want to show you the nicest quilt. And Amber has just done a good panning over of that, but it's in this book called Many Wonderful Curves. I'm going to just open this book so you can kind of see what that looks like. It's called Soak Up the Sun, and one of our customers, Dee Lintz, who had already done it, and so we saw that and said, can we put that on display? And hers is so pretty. So we have gone ahead and kitted it up, and these are the fabrics that we've used. They're absolutely beautiful. A lot of these yellows and goldens and butter and some grays and a variety of greens. And then we have backgrounds, etc. They're beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So in order to make this kit is available. It's $100 normally, so it's $85. And many of you already own this book. If not, it's a gold mine. And it is normally $22.95. We'll be taking 15% off of that. And there is a ruler. It's a mini curved ruler, and it's a wonderful tool. It puts everything together. It makes those curves come together with ease. So stop in today, and we would love to have you. Thank you.
This is Steve. I just want to have this opportunity to share with you one of the panels in the store that I think is absolutely beautiful. And it is normally $10.50, and now it's going to be $8.95. And you notice I had to look at my notes because I wasn't sure what it is. But it is called Mountain Vista. And you can see that. It's like the Rocky Mountains here. Absolutely beautiful look of a pond, and then with rocks all around it. Forest over here on the side. We'd be able to help you with coordinating fabrics to be able to use this as a quilt or even a wall hanging, something like that. So do come in. We've just got a limited number, but again, we'd love to be able to have you have this. I just think it's absolutely beautiful looking at the outdoors.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to remind you that on Saturday we have the Wool Club meeting. It starts at 3 o'clock and runs until 6, and it's $20. We have a group of women who love to gather together to stitch and talk and look at all the fun new wool things we have. So that is Saturday, the 24th of July from 3 to 6. Come and join us.
Hi, I'm going to show you a cute little zippered pouch that came in. I'm just going to turn this around. This is absolutely adorable. And Julie has gone ahead and she has pulled 4 fat quarters. We actually have them over here. I'm going to just pull this out and put them all in there together. And everything, it's so cute. It's absolutely adorable. And it is, as you see it here, it's $22. I'm going to kind of give you some other ideas of what in the world do we do with those fat quarters or any others. I'm going to set this back down, but excuse me, this was normally $22, and for today and today only, it's $18.70. Sorry about that. So that's $18.70. We have pulled a pattern, and whatever do you do with fat quarters? I'm going to show you. This particular pattern only takes fat quarters, and it's going to tell you to take your fat quarters, to lay them down on your cutting surface, one on top of another, and it's going to tell you the cuts to make and then the placement of it when you put those together. So you already have fabrics that you love, you already have it coordinated, and it's just that the placement of those fabrics change places. Incredible. So that pattern normally is $9. It's going to be $7.65 if you choose to use some fat quarters with that. So that's another idea for the back of, and we're noticing this, how beautiful this is. If we used this on the back of this pattern, it would take 1 yard of fabric to do all 4 of them. So stop in today. We would love to have you get this pattern. Give us a call at 269-383-1790. Thank you.
We just got in a lot of new Christmas fabric. They are beautiful. Come in and get your 15% off of all Christmas fabric from now until the 24th. Half-yard minimum cuts. You're also seeing pre-cuts on your screen now. Those just came in too. While they're not on sale, we have a large selection, so come get it while you can.